Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to yet another episode on Adil Azmet Cockpit. Today we have the honor of having in our car one of the very renowned professors of physics, people who are residing in Pindi and Islamabad. They know him, but I'm going to let him do his introduction. And today we are going to talk about a very exciting topic today, especially for the young people, and that topic is time travel. Is time travel possible? Is it really possible? Because we keep on talking about the time travel over and over again, but now we have got someone who is so much authentic on this field, and we're going to ask him the same questions. But Professor Zaid Akbar Saab, please, would you like to introduce yourself first?
Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Zahid Akbar and I am Associate Professor of Physics at IMCBF at 4, Islamabad. And previously I was at For You Foundation Boys College, Rawalpindi, and I served there for 17 years, more than 17 years. And now I am here in Islamabad, and that's all. And my field of interest is, beyond physics, metaphysics. So
So would you like to explain what is metaphysics for our viewers?
Uh, simply speaking, physics is the study of existing world that we can see, macroscopic and microscopic as well. But the material world. But metaphysics about the world that we can't see. Beyond matter. So that is the spiritual world.
All right, sir. What would you say if anyone asked you the question? Because you're a person who believes in science. You're a person who believes in principles behind everything that happens. So if anyone asked you the question, is time travel possible? What would you say?
Um in the world of physics, this task have not been yet achieved, or people are working on it, and they're trying to achieve this ability of time travel. Maybe in the coming future, people will achieve this, but so far they have not been succeeded. But in metaphysics, this is possible. Yeah, at the same time, a person is in front of you here in Pakistan, and at the same time, maybe he's seen in Makkah and Medina. So in physics, it is not possible, but in metaphysics is possible. So that is what I believe.
So, is metaphysics a sort of a science? How would you place it? Is metaphysics an accepted portion of the science, or is it just
No,
an abstract thing?
actually, most of the people one thing is that the things that happen in metaphysics that we call mojzat, they can't be scientifically proven. And if you try to prove them scientifically, it means you don't accept them as mojza, right? So this is something that you cannot explain on the basis of scientific principles and laws. For example, uh, how come a person standing on the earth can split the moon into two pieces with
Okay.
with the with his finger? So this can't be explained by any law of physics or any law of astronomy, whatever. But it happens in metaphysics, right?
Normally, it is said that because light has got a certain speed,
Hmm.
when we are looking at the sun, we are looking at the sun not the way the sun is right now at this moment, but what the sun was around 8.5 minutes ago, because it is the distance that the time that it takes for the photons to reach Earth. So, what is happening in the real world is if I'm looking at the sun right now, this is not the sun that is present right now, but this is the sun of the past. So how would you relate this delay in the observation of different things in the universe? Now sun is a very close
Yeah,
body to
yeah,
the earth,
yeah,
but
yeah,
there are few stars which are many light years away.
yeah. I, in science, you can study that there are few stars that you can still see, but they have disappeared. They have turned into black holes many years back, but you can't see their light even now. It means they have been turned into black holes, but the light is still traveling in the universe. So this shows you the width and depth of universe.
Right. So does this thing cause any intriguing feeling in you that why is it that the universe is so vast? So
Yeah.
because I'm talking to a professor who studies the science of materials,
Yeah.
so does it create an insecurity in you that the universe is so vast and we are so small, tiny
Yeah.
places, or is it a confidence that listen, there is a whole lot of universe out there, but we are the only special people around?
Yeah.
So what out of the two feelings you get when you think of the universe?
Oh, actually, again, uh, I mean, if you are a scientist, you will try to explore. Even we mortals have been ordered by God to explore the universe, right? This is not something that is not in Islam or written in Quran. We have been ordered by Allah to explore the universe and try to know the hidden facts, right? That have not been shown or told to us. So people all over the world are trying to explore it, but so far we have been I guess successful in exploring just maybe 0.5% of the universe, and most of the things that we say about universe are right now are on the in the hypothesis form. They're not factual, or maybe the real thing is something else. And now physics have explored another thing after an experiment in physics that is called pair production, that there may be another universe that is made up of antimatter. This universe that we are living in is made up of matter, means basic entities, an atom having electron, protons and neutrons, but all these particles, I mean electron, proton, their antiparticle have been explored by physicists. So now what they're saying is that there is a possibility that there is another universe as well that is made up of antimatter. And और एक कुरानिक वर्स है जिसका मीनिंग ये है कि हमने हर चीज़ को पेयर में पैदा किया है. तो अब देखो, राइट फ्रॉम वेरी माइक्रो, I mean on the tiniest level, electron has its antiparticle, proton has antiparticle, electron has neutron has antiparticle. So the universe on a huge level, universe also has an anti-universe. And when they'll merge together, this matter will disappear and everything will turn into energy ultimately. So this equation, single equation of physics, E is equal to mc square, in my belief, this has both beginning and end of universe in it. According to my knowledge, what I found or guessed is that when this universe began, then it was energy that turned into matter, and when the Qiyamah will come and this universe will end up, and matter and antimatter will then mesh together, they'll turn into energy, we'll get energy. So that's all. And even the concepts in Quran, they match with the concepts of physics about the end of universe, like Big Crunch. And Big Crunch is that this universe is expanding like a balloon expands when you fill air into it, and then it will come back. After a while, it will come back, and then everything will collide together.